Mighty 2-1 flight. Nitro 6-1 flight, clear to conduct aerial risk.
Finally, B-2 bombers are on the move. And this time, it's not a training exercise. It's real, it's happening now. And it could be the missing piece in the growing puzzle of U.S. military posturing against Iran. At least 2 distinct flights of B-2 Spirit stealth bombers, some of the most formidable and elusive aircraft ever built, have departed from Whiteman Air Force Base in Missouri and are now soaring westward across the Pacific. The destination? Unconfirmed. The timing? Alarming. And the payload? Potentially massive. This sudden deployment of B-2s comes as tensions between Iran and the West inch closer to a breaking point. The U.S. has been carefully escalating its regional presence in tandem with Israel's ongoing operations against Iran. Until now, the absence of B-2 bombers, the only aircraft in America's inventory capable of delivering the 30,000-pound GBU-57 massive ordnance penetrator, left a glaring gap in a potential strike package targeting Iran's deeply buried nuclear facilities like Fordo. That gap is closing fast. Flight tracking data confirms that the bombers, under the call signs Mighty-11 and Mighty-21, lifted off under the cover of darkness, escorted by aerial refueling tankers, 4 tankers per group no less, heading west, then topping off just off the California coast. While the number of B-2s in each flight isn't officially confirmed, it's widely believed that each sortie includes at least 3 aircraft. Their flight path suggests a probable stop at Andersen Air Force Base on Guam, a strategic hub within reach of both the Indian Ocean and Middle East. From there, Diego Garcia remains within striking distance, and that's where things get even more interesting. Diego Garcia has long been a launchpad for high-level operations. Earlier this year, B-2s flying out of the island hit Houthi positions in Yemen, a loud, clear signal to Iran that the U.S. doesn't need to cross borders to bring the fight. These current B-2s could follow the same pattern, especially since Whiteman AFB reopened early just days ago, a move that now looks anything but routine. C-17s were spotted delivering cargo and personnel, and a surge of tanker deployments across the Pacific hinted that a heavy move was coming. This was it. Now, let's be clear. No strike order has been given, but the pieces are undeniably being moved into place. Guam, Diego Garcia, Saudi Arabia, even U.S. naval forces repositioned from Bahrain. All eyes are on the skies and waters around Iran. These B-2s, with their ability to penetrate deep air defenses and deliver bunker busters with surgical precision, could carry out devastating attacks independently, or as part of a broader joint force operation involving F-15Es, B-52s, and a support cast of ISR and CSAR elements. President Trump has said a decision could come within 2 weeks. That timeline now aligns ominously with these stealth bombers' forward positioning. Iran, for its part, has rejected diplomacy under fire. Israel isn't pausing. And America? It's preparing. Silently, methodically, and unmistakably.